Good morning from sunny Florida. Bluegill fishing. Where else would you want to be, right? It's probably America's favorite pastime. Maybe not. At any rate, I'm out there this morning and I'm catching giant bluegill about as fast as I can get it in the water. This is kind of a condensed version here. I caught so many fish, it kind of seemed repetitious and boring to it would have took an hour just to show, 10 fish. So I put them all into a little condensed version here. Once again, this is Green Cove Springs, Florida. I'm using Wonder Bread for bait, just squeezed into little dough balls about the size of your thumbnail. Got a picture of the rig at the end of this video. Pretty good day. I did catch a lot of bluegills. I wish everybody could be here and catch them with me, but this is the next best thing, right? I'm out here fishing in the sticks, so you don't have to. Look at this, it's one after the other, nearly as fast as I can get it in the water. There were a few missed fish, strike, swing, batter. You can't catch them all. Even had a couple of them get off midair. Where else would you want to be in 2023? Thanks for watching. So subscribe, comment, hit that like button. It really does help me, I swear. I'm catching these bluegills, just having the time of my life. Every day it seems. So this is the rig I was using. Check it out.